What is up, guys? It's Ridetech RR here, bringing you another video. Just cruising around beautiful California this nice sunny day. The weather is perfect. I think it's about 75 degrees right now. Anyways, I'll give you guys a review of my 2008 Honda CBR600RR. Right now, the only mods I got: frame sliders, rear fender eliminator kit, what else? TSC signals and rear tail light, Twig racing screen, K&N race filter. I think that's pretty much it. Next thing on the list is flash tune for sure. But anyways, this bike is perfect for the streets. Has good mid-range. Has a steering dampener hidden underneath the tank. I got this bike when it had 6,800 miles. Right now it has 13,000. So yeah, I put a good amount of miles on it and never had problems with it. It's so reliable. Only thing I've done to it was clean the chain, change the oil, change the tires, do a little coolant flush, brake flush. Pretty much it. As long as you keep up with maintenance, these bikes will last forever. I've heard of these bikes go over 100,000, no problem. And they've been using the same engine since 2020, so yeah, they've been using the same engine. It's so darn reliable. Ooh, we got two Pocos. This is how traffic is in California. Too many people here. Let me squeeze in. But anyways, 07 and 08 are the best years to get for the CBR600RR. Mainly because in 2009, Panda had to choke up the emissions on the 09 and up model. They reduced the top end power on it. Once I found that out, I was like, damn. I'm so glad I got the 2008 model. And it's the lightest model at 410 pounds wet. What I mean by wet is full tank of gas, all the fluids in it, oil, everything. And this bike is raw. What I mean about raw is No ABS, no traction control. You gotta really control this bike on your own. The only thing electronic is probably the fuel injection. That's pretty much it. Woo! Got that mid-range. I've ridden other bikes as well. 07 R6, 08 Gixxer 600, and I feel the most comfortable on this bike compared to the others. Now the bars are raised up, so it's more comfortable. You don't get that sharp pain on your wrists after a long ride. I could travel with this bike 2 hours straight, no problems. I mean, the only thing that's gonna hurt is just my butt, but you know, I do little stretches after that. Visible, that's why I always keep my high beams on. They're nice blue, bright HIDs. Whoa, whoa. Strap down your shit. That's dangerous. Stay back. Please be sure to comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.